Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the ND filter on your DJI Mavic Air 2S. Let's start. Turn the aircraft upside down. Use both hands to hold the gimbal tight and turn the frame anti-clockwise. You can clean the glass with an air pump. Take out your wished ND filter. Clean it. Position it with right and up and place it on the glass and turn it clockwise in. That's it. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and or subscribe. Have a nice day.